is this going to solve the problem, Murphy?
That has given me a mega monster idea. I love old storage tubs. They come in lots of sizes. They hold all bits and pieces, and when you bang on them, they make all kinds of silly sounds. And because we have a storage tub, let's make a totally terrific tub drum kit.
As well as a big storage tub, we'll need 2 medium tubs, 1 small tub, a paper plate, a paper straw, paint, card, and some stickers for decoration.
First, paint the big tub and the 2 medium tubs a rocking red.
You can add some PVA glue to the paint to help it stick to the tubs.
Sticky, sticky, stick, stick. Hey, 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 hey!
Now leave these to dry.
What shall we paint next, Rebecca?
Let's paint the small tub and the bottom of the paper plate yellow. Once these are dry, we can bend the end of our paper straw and tape it to the unpainted side of the paper plate. This is going to be our symbol.
And making a symbol is simple. And now our drums are ready to decorate. Ooh, I think we need a little help. Ooh. Ooh.
It's the tiny helpers! They've added spotty stickers and a big star. Thanks, tiny helpers!
Thank you!
You can add any design you like. If you don't have stickers, paper shapes and glue work too.
Now, let's tape everything together. Monster tapey!
Use as much tape as you need to stick your drum kit together. Ask a grown-up to help if you find this tricky.
Tapey, tapey!
Perfect. Now that everything is taped together, flip it back over again.
Paper straws make perfect paper drumsticks.
Woohoo! Our totally terrific tub drum kit is finished. Why don't you have a go at making your own too? Murphy, check me out. I'm in a band.
Ooh. Yes! And I'm on guitar. Hey!